Hi, good morning. I'm Praveen Khandelwal, and this is a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm reading this book by Robin Sharma. It's a fantastic book. I would like to say it's a great book. Why it is necessary to read the books? I have heard so many times. The people keeps an opinion that books are not necessary for whole of the life. Books are the only material to get some degree or diploma or kind of certificates only. Books are the means and mediums to obtain some knowledge certificate only. Though they don't say that clearly, but usually people say that it is not necessary. We need to focus on our work, we need to focus on our business, we need to focus on our job so that we can deliver prominently and we can achieve some levels and levels. But it is not exactly what it looks like. I have a difference of opinion. While we study during this our educational system, what I think is that education is only a startup, because for an individual, for everyone, for everybody, for every human being, in our society, you can say, whether it is a doctor, whether it's a lawyer, whether it's a housekeeping staff, whether it's a, you can say, scientist, whether it's you can say it's a banker, every field has same education system. So can you imagine that same education system can build the capability in every individual according to their job? No, it's only startup. And to achieve the level of excellence in our field, what we are delivering to the society, it's our responsibility to gather more and more knowledge of the field. And how can we achieve that? By gaining the experience, day by day. And it's impossible for us because our life is too short to experience each and everything at our own. We cannot do all the experiments and we cannot gather the knowledge. So to gather that knowledge, to gather that experience of others, we need books. Second thing, we cannot work with all the giants of that field. It is also not possible. Might be you are working in automobile, or you are in banking, or you are medical. But I think as you must have heard these days that yoga or exercise is mandatory for you to keep you alive, to keep you fit. Otherwise, what would happen? You may capture by different diseases. The same way, in today's life, there are so many problems related to our mind also. And it's very important to keep our mental health alive, to keep our mental health fit than our body health. And that mental health can be improved only by reading the books. Can you imagine that there are so many species and so many creatures are there on the earth or the universe, you can say, but human being is the only one who is controlling all the species on the earth and all the creatures of the universe. Why it is so? Just think. Because human being is the only one who can think, who can download his thoughts and can transmit his thoughts to the other human being, and through this chain that knowledge is multiplying day by day, and that is why it's reached up to that level that it can control each and every creature of the earth. That is why, and that knowledge is only gathered by experiences. Our life is too short to have all experiences at our own. We can do each and every experience. Think if it would have happened so that someone who invented the wheel and someone who invented the electricity would have carried the invention with themselves, what would have happened? It means then every one of us had to invent, we would have to invent our own wheel, we would have to invent our own electricity. This way we could only invent the wheel or the electricity, and it is not necessarily that we would be able to achieve that success, to achieve that invention of wheel or the electricity. Might be not possible. In that scenario, the growth of the human being would have limited. So how human is controlling each and everything, that knowledge is storage of knowledge is in the books only. The same way, it's not possible to work with the giants of our fields. For example, if I'm an engineer, it is not possible for me to work with the best engineers of the world, the best engineers of the India. It's not possible. So I can't. How can I take their knowledge, their experience? Because my life is too short, I can't do all experiments. So through the books I can get their knowledge, their experiences, and not only for my professional background, to my personal growth also, I need to read books. You know, in our educational system, there are so much flaws in the system that it doesn't teaches us real hacks of life, how to live a balanced life, how to stay fit, how to be healthy, how to be rich, and how to be a leader. Our system never teaches us that it can be learned by books only, by others' experience only, and it is the only way. And the books can teach us how to live a balanced life, how to stay fit, how to stay healthy. Because in our life we might achieve a great level in our profession, we can achieve topmost position in our organization, but it is not necessarily we have achieved the best in our family. It is not necessarily being an CEO of a company you are able to make happy of your relations. It is not necessarily that being a CEO of a company you will be a great husband. It is not necessarily that being a manager in some company you are able to manage your kids. It is not being necessary that being a doctor you can stay fit, you have all the knowledge of fitness. Same way, in all the aspects we need to increase our knowledge, we need to increase our experience, and that experience only comes through books. And one more thing I would like to add, that there is always the world around us is always full of negative thoughts. and that negativity can only be removed by good thoughts, and good thoughts always comes from books. It is not necessarily that we find some our good friend around us always. It might happen our good friend is hundreds of miles away from us, thousands of miles from us, but books are always everywhere, and through books we can keep in touch with our best friends, our companions, our knowledge, our positivity, our attitude, and our positive attitude, our positive to the life. If you haven't started reading books, just start today. Read any book, any kind of book. There are so many types of books. Once you start reading books, you will come to know what to read and what to not. You will come to know what knowledge you required. So I would recommend that you just start reading the books from today itself, and keep on reading, and make your life easy, full of happiness, full of wisdom. Thank you. Bye bye.